Well, Mason County Sheriff has Mason Lake Road blocked off here. Looks to me like they got it blocked off because of the wildfire we have going about a half a mile down the road. I'm going to try to get over by the lake. There's supposedly a helicopter pulling water out of the lake to fight the fire. So I'm going to try to get there and get some video of that. Okay, I'm pulling into the public boat ramp here. It's at the very end of the lake, and hopefully maybe I can get a picture of this helicopter, some film of this helicopter coming in to get water. I don't know how long that's going to be, but I'm going to give it a shot. I think I hear the helicopter. But I don't see it. We may have to try a different location. I can feel the prop wash from the helicopter where I'm standing. There are two choppers pulling water from Lake Limerick to fight the wildfire. It's about a half a mile southwest of here from what I understand. So they're filling up the water, going to drop it on the fire. Two helicopters working this fire. Wow, I hope the wind stays blowing away from here. 1,300 homes in the community here. We certainly don't need that wildfire to come through here. Looks like the choppers are heading back to dump the water on the fire. I sure hope they get it under control quick. Even the deer are moving. They're moving away from the fire.